What's up, crypto fam? Welcome back to the channel. We're diving into the icy hot world of Pudgy Penguins and its $PENGU token, which is absolutely crushing it right now. Trading at $0.03 to $97. $PENGU is up 20% in the last 24 hours, 119% in 7 days, 125% in 14 days, and a massive 245% in 30 days. With a $2.07 billion market cap and a $1.8 billion 24-hour trading volume, this meme coin is waddling its way to the top. Is $PENGU the next big thing, or is a pullback coming? Let's break down the hype, analyze the charts, and figure out what's next. Smash that like button, grab your coffee, and let's slide into it. Subscribe and hit the bell for more Crypto Fire. First, let's talk about Pudgy Penguins and $PENGU. Born as a beloved NFT collection in 2021, Pudgy Penguins evolved into a powerhouse brand with toys, a planned Pudgy World game, and now its $PENGU token. Launched on December 17, 2024, with a $2.3 billion market cap debut per CoinDesk. Built on Ethereum and integrated with the TON blockchain for gaming, $PENGU is more than a meme coin, it's a cultural movement. With a circulating supply of 62.86 billion out of a 76.72 billion total supply. Per CryptoRank and listings on Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, $PENGU is riding a wave of hype. Its 24-hour volume of $1.8 billion and market cap of $2.07 billion rank it among the top meme coins. So, why is it pumping like crazy? Here's my take on the 4 key drivers behind PENGU's explosive rally. ETF. Hype. A July 8, 2025, SEC filing for a Pudgy Penguins ETF combining tokens and NFTs is massive. Per CoinDesk, with a decision expected by early 2026, this could bring institutional money, boosting demand. The filing alone has traders buzzing, as it's a rare blend of NFT and token investment. Ecosystem growth. Pudgy Penguins is expanding fast. The Pudgy World game on TON blockchain, launched June 18, 2025, taps into Telegram's 1B plus users with Pengu Clash, a skill-based game backed by Olympics, per CoinDesk. Plus, partnerships like NASCAR June 11th and Lufthansa's loyalty program add real-world utility, letting users earn airline miles with $PENGU. NFT market surge. Pudgy Penguins NFTs are red hot, with the floor price hitting 34.1 ETH $136,000, up to 0.6%, making it the second most expensive NFT collection after CryptoPunks per CoinDesk. This NFT rally fuels $PENGU's token hype. As the ecosystem's value skyrockets, market momentum, the crypto market's on fire. With Bitcoin at $122,838 and a $3.73 trillion global market cap. Per Dropstab, meme coins like $PENGU are riding this wave, with $1.8 billion in 24-hour volume showing intense trader interest, per user-provided data. This mix of ETF buzz, ecosystem growth, NFT strength, and market FOMO is sending $PENGU to the moon. Let's hit the charts for some technical analysis. $PENG's at $0.03297, up 20% in 24 hours, 119% in 7 days, 125% in 14 days, and 245% in 30 days. Here's the breakdown. Price levels. The 24-hour low was around $0.027 for $7, 20% below $0.03 to $97, with support at 3 cents. Per Binance's $0.035835 high. Resistance sits at $0.043, a level CoinDesk flagged. A break could target 5 cents, while a pullback might hit $0.025. Volume. The $1.8 billion 24-hour volume is massive, up from $838.89 million a week ago, per Dropstab, showing strong buying pressure. CoinMarketCap's $1.55 billion confirms high liquidity, RSI. The relative strength index is at 63.9. Per CoinDesk, not yet overbought, below 70, suggesting room for growth. However, the near vertical daily move signals a possible pullback. Moving averages. $PENG's trading above its 20, 50, 100, and 200-day EMAs. A bullish sign, per CoinDesk. The 50-day EMA, around $0.015, acts as strong support. Patterns. A breakout above the $0.015 trendline in June, followed by a 2,000% surge to 7 cents highs, shows strong momentum, though a recent pullback from $0.043 indicates resistance. Per CoinDesk key levels. Support at $0.025 3 cents, resistance at $0.043 5 cents. If volume holds, $0.1 is possible, but watch for profit taking. Let's keep it real. Meme coins are volatile. and $PENG use no exception. Overbought risk, RSI, at 63.9 and a 245% 30-day surge suggest a correction could hit, especially after a 75% pullback from its 7 cents peak. Per CoinDCX ETF uncertainty, the SEX ETF decision isn't guaranteed. A rejection could tank $PENGU, as speculative hype drives much of its price. Market sensitivity, Bitcoin's at $122,838, but a dip could drag altcoins like $PENGU down. The broader NFT market slump OpenSea's volume down from $2.7 billion day in 2022 to $30 million. Now, per CoinDesk adds risk. Speculative nature, with 56.4% of meme coin wallets losing $0, $1,000. Per Dune Analytics, $PENG use speculative rally could fade if community engagement drops. Use stop losses and don't FOMO at the highs. What's next for $PENGU? The fundamentals are strong. 62.86B circulating supply, a thriving NFT ecosystem, and real-world integrations. CoinDCX predicts a $0.0192 range by August 2025, with long-term targets of 10 cents 20 cents by 2027 if the ETF is approved. The Pudgy World game and partnerships like Lufthansa could drive adoption, while whale accumulation, noted by CoinDCX, signals confidence. However, PENGU's success hinges on sustained community hype and ETF approval. If Bitcoin stays bullish and Pudgy's ecosystem grows, 10 cents is feasible by Q4 2025. A pullback to 2 cents is possible if momentum fades. Watch for game updates and ETF news to gauge the next move. Alright, crypto fam, that's the scoop on Pudgy Penguins $PENGU soaring 245% in 30 days, with a $2.07 billion market cap, $1.8 billion volume, and ETF buzz. This meme coin's on fire. Are you stacking $PENGU or waiting for a dip? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this video got you hyped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto breakdowns. Check out CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko for live $PENGU prices, and always dire before trading. Stay cool, stay waddling, and I'll catch you in the next one. Let's ride this Pudgy wave to the moon. Peace out.